Did y'all hear about the armor changes? It's big. Guys, it's not minor. It is massive. I mean, it shouldn't be looked at as a nerf, but it feels like a nerf, and it probably feels like the biggest nerf that WoW has ever seen to so many classes in the span of a day. It is a fix, but we got used to having like no mobs have armor. There's a post on here where a guy gives like a full breakdown. Hold on. Here we go. So this guy's a level 64 sub-rogue in Terracar. He's testing on the same mobs before and after the hotfix. Before the hotfix, he was hitting mobs for low-end 500, but high-end 800. And then after the hotfix, he's hitting mobs for low-end 200 and high-end 400. Average DPS 301. Before, it was 596. He's doing 50% less damage. 50%. That is so fucking funny. So what was the issue? Mobs were having way less armor than they're supposed to. So casters rejoice. You are on top again. This is once again a caster expansion.